Welcome back to Amusement Archive. We're gonna hop on Big Thunder Mountain Railroads. Let's go. Are you putting out enough bubbles?
I'm putting out water, Mom. Wait, I'm scared. Oh, do you guys want us to together on this one? No.
Big Thunder Railroad, one of my favorite coasters at Walt Disney World and period. So cool. This is the Amusement Archive. Thanks for taking a trip. Please check the playlist, find a franchise or subject you're into. Have some fun watching some videos. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Hey, this is the Amusement Archive. I'm glad you stuck around, watched this video. Hopefully you stick around and watch plenty more videos. I just want to know, what kind of videos do you guys like? Are you into the ride-throughs, walk-throughs, the tours of places? Are you into toy hunts for Disney stuff? Souvenir hunts at gift shops? I try to provide all that kind of stuff in these videos. Hopefully you guys like them. Also want to offer up, I got a free sticker here. It looks kind of like this unless I change the design, but you can check the description. Either email me, find me on Instagram, and send me your address. I'll send you out a free sticker. Definitely appreciate everyone watching my videos, and hopefully I can grow this channel and provide more cool stuff for everyone to watch. Later.